guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am bringing you another Splendies unboxing. I just got my Splendies in the mail and I'm so excited to share them with you guys. The bag looks a little flat because I already took her out, but I have not seen what's in the wrapping yet. If you guys aren't aware of what Splendies is, it is a monthly subscription service where it brings you underwear to your front door. I think it's really, really cool, and they always have really cute styles, and they're really soft and really comfortable. So it is one of my most random but favorite subscriptions that I have. So let's get into this. But before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and join the party. You're already here anyway, so you might as well. And if you'd like, click that notification bell. It will keep you updated on all of the newness, and I do upload 3 to 5 times a week. All right, now let's dig in. So it always comes wrapped in tissue with the sticker on it. Oh, I'm so excited. So the first thing that I'm seeing is this super cute purple color. So let me open this up. So this is the first panty that I am seeing. So it's got this really beautiful white lace on it. It is a hip hugger cut, and it's this really pretty purple marl fabric. I love this. Now, I get my Splendies in a size large. I have recently lost weight though, so I think I need to fix my subscription for medium because these look like they're gonna be a little bit on the loose side, but they'll be so comfortable regardless to sleep in. So I'm really excited about that. Let's see the next pair. Oh, how cute are these? Oh, they say I love you in French on them, and they have the Eiffel Tower and little trees with hearts on them. And then the back is full light pink lace. So see-through lace. This is so cute. You know what? The large will probably still fit me fine. I think the large is still gonna fit me fine. So soft though. I love these. This is the next pair that I got. This pair almost matches my nails. Okay, hello there. These are cute. These are red and white, and the front is see-through lace, and the back is more of like a cheeky cut. Their material is so soft, guys. If you've ever felt the Victoria's Secret Model material, that's what these feel like. Or like the old school Body by Victoria panties. Literally the same material. It feels so good. And then the last pair, oh, how cute are these? They have little hearts all over them. This one is a thong. It's got the lace waist to it, and then again, the rest of it is that really soft Model material. I love that these always come themed, and these are so cute for Valentine's Day. I love these, and I love just like warm pinky and red tones anyway, so these are all right up my vibe. I love these. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So if you guys are curious about getting Splendies for yourself, I will definitely link them in the description box below. And then I do have a link, and the link does give me, I think it's either like a free pair of panties or like a certain amount off of my personal monthly subscription. I do buy this subscription myself, just a heads up. They have sent me free panties in the past though, but I do, like this month, because of my video that I did last month, they actually sent me an extra free pair, which I think is really exciting. I just genuinely love it, but I do pay for the subscription every month. But if you use my link, I get like a little bit off, so I will leave that in the description box below, but I just want to include all of that for you guys. Same type of thing that if like on ColourPop, if they click your link and use it, then you get $5 off. Fashion Nova does the same type of link thing, so that's what my link is personally, but I did want to let you guys know, so like I'm not going to get money for it, but I might get like a free pair of panties. So, you know, just help your girl out. But anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions about the subscription, please leave them in the comments below for me, and I will try my best to answer them for you. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.